Today's quote of the day: success doesn't come to you, you go to it. What does that mean to you? I know for me, it makes me think about where I am now, the sacrifices I've made in order to create a path out of no way. I've had to create a way out of no way. And so what does that mean for you? And I think this is especially important for people from marginalized, disadvantaged groups, where statistically the odds are often stacked against you and opportunities are rare and few and far between. So often that can mean that we are very creative and we have to make a way out of no way. And so if you're at a point in your life where what you're doing is no longer working, what is the one thing that you can do to start to take steps, small steps, to create a different reality for yourself? Remember, every journey of a thousand miles starts with a single step. And so that's one thing I want to encourage you to think about. What's the one small thing I can do in the present to change my situation? And the reason why I'm such an advocate of this is because people often fear change. However, I would encourage you to fear stagnation. I would encourage you to fear stuckness and sameness. Because if you've ever passed stagnant water, it has a potent, pungent smell that is not welcoming to the senses. And so I believe growth and change is inbuilt in us. Look at us. We have been fertilized. We were an egg got fertilized and we've grown. So growth is in our DNA as humans. And what is it that you need to grow into today? What do you need to say yes to today? Take one small step to change your life. That's today's quote of the day. That's my interpretation of it anyhow. Remember, do take care of you, because if you don't, who will?